Ladies and gentlemen, I love old movie musicals. I mean, if one of these is on the Late Show, one of these old 30s musicals with some dancing, some singing, Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers kind of movies, I love that. I'll watch that. I'm there. I'm there to watch that movie. But you know, recently a friend of mine told me something about those old movies, Top Hat, Easter Parade, that just didn't seem true to me. Couldn't have been true. And I went back and I watched some of those movies closely. And you know something? Some of them, she was right. Ginger Rogers was a better dancer than Fred Astaire. She did everything Fred Astaire did, only she did it backwards in high heels. Sometimes our perceptions don't correspond with reality, especially when it comes to how women do compared with men. I'll give you a good example. This is a blow-up of a portion of Exhibit 7A, which you'll have with you in the jury room. This is the comparison of three of the people that were up for partnership the same year. Margaret Polisi, Roger Kramer, Mark Hancock. Now, we know from the evidence, Mark Hancock and Roger Kramer became partners that year. Margaret Polisi did not. Why didn't she? They're going to talk to you. The other side is going to get up here and they're going to say, well, she wasn't qualified. She just didn't have it. Ladies and gentlemen, just some simple calculations here. Each year, associates were given a grade, a letter grade, and also their billable hours were noted. If you take those letter grades, ladies and gentlemen, and you assign them numbers, a 5 for an A, 4 for a B, 3 for a C, and you add them up, every last one of these people gets a 27. Every last one. It's about a B minus. Just a little bit under a B. But you say, let's look at the hours. Well, over the 8 years here that these people were associates before coming up for the partnership decision, let's look at what their total hours were. And you can run these calculations when you get in there. Roger Kramer, his total hours for these 8 years are 13,310. Mark Hancock, 13,870. Margaret Polisi, right in the middle. Right in the middle, ladies and gentlemen. But you say, Margaret Polisi was inconsistent. 2 of her last 3 years were not good. Let's just look at the last 3 years of billables. For Mark Hancock, the last 3 years add up to 6,050 hours, billable hours. Roger Kramer, the last 3 years, $5,710. Margaret Polisi, the last 3 years, she's right in the middle again. Ladies and gentlemen, where I come from, if they give a prize for first place, and they give a prize